Yeah, man, a portion, you know. And me, I say, me a big up talent show, you know, 100%. Yeah? Sponsors and everything. You see me, I say, run the rhythm there. A portion, you know. And me, I say, boy, this off like lotion, you know. Then see, man, and they even know, man, you know. Yeah, me remember the days. Yeah, me remember the days. Yeah, me remember the days when me hungry for days. Out na the street, now me have to make a change. Me not trust them, cause them easy for change. Out na the streets, nah do it for the hype, nah the fame. But me have to step up me game. Cause we make it up, me say that a my aim. Light up the weed, make it flow to my brain. More while, me pray fi go far away. But I one thing, me say me nah go stray. So me beg Father God fi just guide the way. Every day me pray fi see a better day. Me put me trust in a Jah, but me still can't left me care. Cause your friend will sell you out to them, see you doing great. Enough of them a snake, them only want to see me fail. So dirty bad mind, you better keep your ear. Me see it and never be, look how your skin pale. Enough dear ones sell out for cheap ear. Will never be sell out with cheap. Yeah, me remember the days when me hungry for days. Out na the street, now me have to make a change. Me not trust them, cause them easy for change. Out na the street, nah do it for the hype, not the fame. But me have to step up me game. Cause we make it up, me say that a my aim. Light up the weed, make it flow to my brain. We can't reach off at 9 to 5, no. So me have to get a line. Yeah, me have to chop a line. Yeah, more while me pray fi give up, but me not no, that shit, just
Alright, 100% talent, sure. Hey, me don't want to go out like if the member the part of the lyrics there. But I just saw it go. A new song, the song the new. It's fresh. Alright, so we can see with it. Yeah, you know, we are clean it up and we really appreciate you to keep your music clean. Kisha, what do you think about the artist?
I like the innocence about him. I don't know if it's going to be a bad thing for him to say that, but I like the innocence because we are humans at the end of the day.
Turn down the beat.
You know? And selector, tone it down, yourself. As I said, I like the innocence of you, that you are still human, you know? You are able to vibe, but then if you make an error, you say, man, next time I'm going to try it better. So nothing's wrong with that, and we'll see you in the future, and I'm sure you'll improve your game. All right?
Straight. All right, General. Yeah, man, Aro. Because hear what you have to say, because you know what's going on. Remember we're there to teach.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yes.
Yeah, the artist name, Portion.
Portion.
Yeah, big up yourself, Portion, and big up yourself for being a part of the 100% talent. You see me, the song, a positive song. You don't know the thing. Come here, you say two little thing night, but the M and the K, and you know, we hear, but don't know if it, you see me, I deal with, but yeah, it probably can slip past. You see me, I deal with. But here what I go on here now, melody. You see me, I deal with nothing wrong with the lyrics them, but
so
here
it need
on.
more melody.
Melody, because
right.
you sound like you just a talk naturally. You see me, I did you draw so a little word, them put two draw in you know, give two little flair, give two little style. And you see me, deliver it better and everything we work out. Nothing wrong with the lyrics them alright. And just the delivery to me could have better and the melody could have better. You see me, I deal with.
Alright, so you hear it from the man himself, Alright General, may I tell you, Dash, what do you think about the artist? You know what I mean? Remember we're there to teach same way. You know what I mean? Yes.
For me, it was the clarity. I hear everything that you were saying. And let me tell you something, young man. It's not what you go through, it's what you grow through.
Right.
You understand? So you see this little moment, and you mess up a little and you stand your ground same way, and one thing you need to do, you need to focus. I try to look for you, no cutie, but you not look for me. You understand? Focus, man. Because see the projection. You understand? Because
Yeah.
you go stronger, but a good artist. You understand me?
Straight.
So fix up that and come again. Alright?
Alright, and the man say I'm first time, so you know it gone, and this song is very brand new. What is the name again?
portion.
Alright, Portion Music. Alright, so now look out for Portion Music, you know what I mean?
Hi viewers, my name is Ian Bennett and I am the host of In the Hot Seat. If you like the video you just saw and would like to see more of the same type of video, please click the subscribe button and the like button as we produce videos every Wednesday. Thank you.